Assalamu alaikum. I'm writer Sajawal Saleem Paracha. Oh, you people are enjoying good health. As you guys know, I share many important topics here, and today I would like to share a very important and an interesting topic with you guys. And the name of that topic is selecting the good career or selecting the right career. I still remember the days when I was a small child and when I was in my school, and people used to ask me, what do you want to become in your life? And the answer was, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer or a pilot. In old days, people merely have these three options. They want to become doctors, they want to become engineers, and they want to become pilots. People used to think that these three professions are well paid and honorable professions. But with the passage of time, and now life has become more active, emerging, passionate, fast, and unlimited professions have been introduced by the professionals. Nowadays, professions like mass communication, electronic media, online business portals, information technology, and fashion and designing are available. These professions have been introduced by the professionals. Now, here, a question is pending till now. Which profession is the right profession? Which career is best career for you, guys? In this way, some points are very crucial and important to memorize or to keep in mind. You have to think about the profit or the salary you are receiving from your field. Secondly, you have to think about the honor, dignity, and the respect of that profession, how the people think about that profession. Moreover, you should think about that your profession is honorable in society or not. Your profession or your field is respectable in society or not. How do people think about that profession? People want to adopt that career or not? These are few important questions and important points. Once you have entered a profession, once you have joined a profession, the second step or the next step is to show your abilities, to show your capacity, to show your capabilities, and to show your talent in that profession. Now there career counselors are available. Career counselors are available here, and they can motivate you, they can guide you properly, they can tell you about a proper field according to your mental capacity, according to your personality traits. Many professions are here like CA Chartered Accountancy, MBA, BBA, Information Technology. Chartered accountant is no doubt well paid and a good in reputation too. Now here, how the career counselors can convince you or how they can inform you well about your good professions. For example, if you want to become a chartered accountant, then there is no need to study scientific subjects or to study science subjects especially. You can join it after your 12 years education or equivalent to 12 years education. The important thing is you should study statistics or you should study such kinds of subjects. Similarly, if you want to do BS in English, then there is no need to study bio, or you can study just the subjects of arts and you can get admission in your particular field. So in this way, the career counselors can guide you. Now, and the senior students can also guide you in this way. For example, if you visit a college or a university and senior students can inform you about a specific teacher or that this teacher is strict, this teacher is quite polite in behavior, or this teacher will give you good marks if you do a little effort. So in this way, the senior students can also guide you. For example, a decade ago, many students appeared there with masters in computer sciences, but at that time, there was no proper demand in market. So the senior students can also guide you in this way. They can inform you about the market trend. They can tell you about the market range. And you should keep in mind the market value of any subject. So these were some important points, and to keep in mind, you should keep in mind these points before joining a certain profession or before joining a certain field. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks a lot. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.